I'm gonna build some kind of contraption, mechanism, lock, something to keep my trunk lid down, because over the last, I don't know, 90 or so years, the original's gone. Missing, disappeared, stolen, I don't know. It's a lot of years, folks. Could I just run a strap from there to there and hold it down on the road? Sure could. Am I wasting my time by doing this now instead of other things? Absolutely. But I like doing it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking, haven't decided which one I wanna go with yet. I got an original vice grip or just some knockoff brand here. Mounting it to the trunk lid, goes up with the trunk lid, comes down, clamps onto something, a bolt, a nut, I don't know yet. I'm only at this stage. Do I like the small one or do we like the bigger one? I don't see why this couldn't work. Yep, I'm going for it. I'm gonna space it out with some rebar here. You know, my failed radiator support. If you haven't seen that video, I'll drop a link down in the description. We wanna go out, I don't know, this far. Why'd you choose that spot, Simon? I don't know, gotta start somewhere. Yep, going with it. That's my starting point. I think I'm going with the big one. It's got more patina on it. That's what I'm going with anyways. How do we think this is gonna go? I don't know, kind of in there. You guys literally saw the extent of the planning for this. We're going with it. I mean, if it doesn't work, I haven't completely ruined the vice grip yet. For those wondering, yesterday was the last time I used this vice grip. It's fine. Smoke it! Give ourselves the best chance of not burning through right away through the rust. Probably won't matter. The welder way down. Odds are that won't help either. That's why I get a little tacky on there. A little tacky poo. A little tacky poo. I think I gotta have it a little off like that. That when it comes down, it can... I'm just gonna tack it all up and see if it's even gonna work. Proof of concept, as they would say. Is that even right? Is that what they say? I don't know. Nope, that ain't working. What's the best way to do this? I don't have enough hands. My hands aren't steady enough. I know, I'm complaining. I'm allowed to. Nope, that ain't gonna work. How about like that? Huh? What do we think? Suppose it would be better if I had the ground down there. I want to put one up here too, but I want to test my theory and see if it works first. Can I put a big bolt in there maybe? It's a little warm. I think it's gonna work. Let's just tack it on and see. Confirm the theory. Perfect. 1 1/8. We'll cut that. Another piece of, support, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Ooh, I even got it right. Probably should have cut a little angle on it so it fit the curve there a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna buzz the rest of that other one in first, I think. Surprised I didn't go through. Does it look square? Sure. As square as the rest of the stuff on the car. I'm sure that's fine to breathe. There we go. I'm probably gonna zip that into that bolt off. Or if I leave it, I could spin a nut on there, then you wouldn't be able to get this open, like a safety feature. You gotta lift past it. For like a long trip or something. I don't know, I'll think about it. But there we have it. Simple trunk latch for a 1928 Model A from a guy who doesn't know what he's doing, who can't weld, because everybody's told him that already, using crap he had laying around his garage. Oh, it's still hot. Thanks for watching.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not